Let's see. Let's see. Oh!
Wait. Uh-oh, I forgot that.
Yeah, we win!
Let's play another round.
Yeah!
Aiden, it stopped raining. Do you think we could go to the beach?
Did somebody say beach?
Yeah.
Let's go! It's perfect for a beach day.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Let's go!
Let's go. Beach day.
Beach day! Beach day! Beach day!
Beach day.
What is? Oh my God, it's raining!
It's raining.
Oh no!
Our beach
Oh no! Well, I didn't think it was gonna rain today, so I guess we can't go to the beach.
Yeah, too bad.
But I have a great idea.
What's your idea, Dad?
Since we can't go to the beach, let's bring the beach to us
But how?
with imagination.
Oh, so you mean like we get to bring the beach to life, but in our house?
Yes! Let's do it!
Okay, let's
Beach
do it.
day! Beach day! Beach day! Beach day!
Beach indoor day.
It's a beach day! Woo! Check out this beach!
Yeah, this is so cool, Dad.
I told you we can make a beach day. And you can't have beach without sand.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Let's open that up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and play with some sand because we can't have a beach day without sand.
Oh, that's a big chunk.
Oh, this is cool. Look.
Dad, look what I made.
What are you making? I'm gonna make a sandcastle. Ooh, I'm gonna make this.
Starfish?
Yeah.
Look at this. Ooh, I can't wait how it turns out. I can't see how it turns out. I'm making a shell.
Right here. Oh, good job.
And this is a cool sand castle. And a shell. I'm gonna make that starfish.
What's this? Let's see.
How it turns out. Now,
Oh, it's a turtle.
And look, this is a starfish. I get added. So cool. Oh yeah, it's Meerkat from Gabby's Doghouse. And look. It's a starfish.
What's this one? What's this one?
A fish.
Oh, it's a fish. They come out good. This stuff is awesome.
Yeah. Go. Can you pass me that sandcastle then?
Yep. This one?
Yep.
I'll help you.
Ah! It's so cool. Yeah. Thanks.
Who needs the beach?
Oh. And look.
Oh! With the starfish on top.
And I can make another one.
That's where Meerkat lives.
Oh yeah. Meerkat has the queen. Is the queen.
What are you doing?
I really love this fish.
Okay, fine. He needs all of it.
Hey, not.
All of it.
Okay. Here, this.
He needs all of it.
All of it. And then let's try to dump it and let's see how it turns out. Yeah.
On 3, we'll dump it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
2.
Come on, help me, kids.
3.
Help me.
That's
All right.
so sad.
All right, ready? Let's see. Let's see.
Wait.
Oh! belongs on this one.
Yeah. Hey, mine. Mine. Hey, mine. Happy. Yeah. I keep playing with this. I can play. I can make a fish.
Ah!
Guys, they're crazy.
All right, let's go play in the water.
Yeah.
Let's go get some seashells.
Okay, I'm gonna do this and let's go. I did it. Let's go in the water.
Let's go. Oh, look, starfish.
Oh, I got a seashell.
You got starfish? Oh, look, a sand. It's a sand dollar.
I was going to say that.
What do you got? You got a sand dollar and a starfish?
Really, that's so cool. Yeah, let's play.
Hey, we can make a game out of this.
Yeah.
Let's play tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, it does look like in a water space.
It does. Let's try it. Come on.
tic-tac-toe.
Which one do you want to be?
I want to be starfishes.
All right, starfish. You want to be sand dollar? I'll help you. Come on. All right.
Okay, boys go first.
We go first, okay? Here, go put it down somewhere.
Throw it.
Right there in the middle. Good job!
You're not going today.
Yeah! Oh, she blocked us. Oh, right there. Okay.
Oh, no. What am I thinking? I'll just go there.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I forgot that.
Yeah, we win!
Let's play another round.
All right, let's go. Speed round. Ah, that was good. But I win. Watch. Watch. Go.
I win.
Oh! I lost.
Yes. I got it. Oh yeah. It's okay, Dad. You won one round.
That was close to one right there.
Second place. I beat it.
All right.
Yeah.
New game.
Yeah. What's our new game?
I have a magical unicorn.
A unicorn. Oh no!
All right. So we gotta put it down, and then we're gonna try and see who can get the most points with the most rings.
So I'll get the rings.
Okay. I have the gold rings, and you have the rainbow rings.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Go. Oh, good try. Go.
And oh.
My turn.
I'm so
Oh.
close, Dad.
Good. Oh.
Oh, we all got 0, and I hit 2 in there.
All right, come on, go get him. We gotta do it again.
Got it. Okay, this time the boys go first.
I'll be
Yay!
the unicorn,
Uh-huh.
and you guys toss the rings.
Okay. This won't be so bad.
You gonna do it from there?
Probably.
right.
Or stand up.
All right, go.
Make it easier.
Ah! Oh!
My turn.
Throw him in the face.
My turn.
Ah!
I got 2.
Ah!
I win. I got 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yay! I
Okay,
got
go.
2.
Go, hit it.
Go. Go.
Go.
Almost. Go. Oh no.
Go!
Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh.
Ah!
Oh no! Okay, we
Your turn!
No, my turn. I want a turn. Oh well. Aiden, you go first and then I go second.
You go. All
Okay.
right. Hold it. Hold your hands.
I'm the
Okay,
rainbow.
go.
I'm the rainbow.
Let's go.
Aiden, how about you stand up?
Go.
Okay.
Like this. Good.
Okay, let's go.
Go. Yeah. Oh.
This is a harder
He's
round.
cheating.
I win.
Audrey's turn.
Okay.
Audrey's turn.
Get Aiden, you get the rainbow rings.
Here. You get the gold rings.
Where's our last rainbow? Okay, I can't wait. Here, Aiden.
All right, let's go.
Okay, this time it's gonna be harder like Aiden.
Dang it.
Oh,
Oh. It's so hard.
got it.
We did it!
Yay! Ow! Ow, that hurted. Ow, that actually hurt. Ow. You cracked my face. Dad, I'm hungry.
Well, let's go get some more ice cream.
Okay, let's go.
Ice cream.
Can I
Ice
have some money,
cream.
Dad? Hi, can I have a cone, please? And some ice cream. So I'll like strawberry. And let me see the other one. Okay. No, I want two. So can I have that bubblegum, please? Oh, and I'll also like that chocolate. Whatever you want. Yep. Dad, how much dollars would this cost?
So let's see.
We have
You have one cone,
two ice cream.
2 ice creams,
Uh-huh.
and then you have one topping, which is $2.
Uh-huh.
So how much is that all together?
5.
Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you. Oh no, I dropped 3. Here you go. Get my $3. Okay, Dad, your turn.
Ooh, can I have a cookie ice cream sandwich, please? Cookie, please. This one. This one.
Dad, what are you having?
I'm having an ice cream sandwich.
Ooh, that's so good.
Thank you. How much is it? $5. Let's see. Cookies
It's
is $2, and the ice cream is $1. That's $3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
How does it taste, Dad?
It's delicious. How's yours?
It's so good. I love the bubblegum and the strawberry.
I love mine too. It's like a cookie. All right. Well, we had such a great day.
Okay, bye.
Here you go. Thank you.
There you
All
go.
right. Let's say bye to your friends.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching our beach video. And what's your favorite part of the beach video we did? See you next time. Bye.
Let's go play in the sand.
Yeah.
Thanks for the ice cream. Bye.
Thanks for the ice cream.